All right. Alrighty. And then alrighty. Hello, 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 hello. But yeah, so super excited. Sim is finally out, y'all. So I really hope you are enjoying that. I know I personally am insanely excited. Hello, hello. If you check the Huang Zero Discord, someone may have already dropped or uploaded the card images by accident. Whoops. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. A poke, poke. Catch my drift, y'all. So would suggest. Does that mean weekly tournaments? I mean, maybe I'd like to. We'll see how that turns out. We'll see. Is it possible for BT16 to be played? We are going to release BT16 after the official launch. I think going forward, our policy is going to be we are not going to release sets until after they come out physically. We don't want to like affect sales, so we're just playing it safe. So give me one sec. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. God, I have so many messages. Jeez. Yes. Any fixes? What do you mean fixes? Also, yeah. So we are aware that currently there's no texture folder. Oh, perfect. Okay, actually, speaking of which, so our dev just uploaded a new download file for the sim. On it, it has the textures fixed. So now if you want to go ahead and re-download that, you're all good. A-okay. But yeah, so kind of just streaming, to talk to the people about any questions or whatnot that you may have. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and fire up some DCGO, right? Once BT16 comes out, will the image extractor try to extract all the cards again? I mean, you choose. Like, you can just set it to only BT16 if you want. That's a you decision. All right, I wonder how many people are actually on this right now. Let's see how fast this match is immediately. Wow. Okay. Let's see. This is technically a playable hand. It's not like super great, but like it's technically playable. But I'd much prefer to have, yeah, like searching ability. I like how we hit the HBD like again. All right. Let's go ahead and do this. Ah, Sugoi. All right. Let's go play Terrier. Nope. And we hit. God, it's like terrible. Jeez. Lost all my double typhoons. What the hell? Oh, I need to change all my stuff. Playing against Dark Masters? Dark Master Omni, probably? No, currently we only go up to BT 15. Alright. Dude, this hand is like... What the fuck am I supposed to do? Like, what do I actually do with this? We hit the rapid. We can really just chill here, though. Like, we can go... Evolve into this for 3. Okay, that's pretty good. We could swing out here. We're playing against Dark Master, so we realistically we could just go into this rapid mon. Like, we're just like really good. Like, we're just being chill, but what do we think? Seems fine. Yeah, just go ahead and do that. Okay, swinging machine. Oh, that's right, it de-digivolves. Oh, I forgot. Well, that's annoying, but it's fine, because never punish giant missile. Yeah, I actually completely forgot Machine Dramon fucking de-digivolves. That's crazy. I'll go ahead and set all the textures too while I'm at it after this game. That'll go Rurumon plus Micro Gargo. Ugh. At least we're not getting aced, I guess. Yeah, it's definitely Omnizu. Okay, this is really good. I mean, we could play up a little bit here now at this point. Like, we can go... Effect. Kinda cool, kinda cool. Then we can go... I mean, like... We're just chilling, right? Like, he has Piedmon? What's the worst card? What's the worst that, like, could come up and, like, hit us? What's the worst? Just gonna go... Yeah, Piedmon swing, it's gonna pop something, and then if he goes to like a 7, and like it tries to pop more. Purge. Typhoon's funny. Not like it does anything here, but like the setup is good, I guess. Was weird. I know he has Giga Dramon in trash. That's okay, so it's just the Giga Dramon. Defeat plus Death X. That's scary. Yeah, then he gets to resolve. Giga Dramon effect because it's end of turn now. What set is the sim up to? 15. We are up to 15. Training for this. Hit a 4. It's not a 4. But it, cycle on this. It's not a 4. He has Metal Sea and back. Let me think. We get giant missile, get rid of this. Then he has some metal C still. He has 5 memory. He can Evo into a 7. And then just like bop us. That sounds really bad. It's fine, I guess. Alright. I believe in the Terriermon. Terriermon goes brazy here. He can ace, that's fine. I'm cool with this. Oh, I guess he has blocker. I completely forgot about Mega Gargo ace. Oh well, it'd be like that. Alright, now I can my giant missile gets so much more value though. Yeah, I'm pretty okay with that. Yeah, it's out. It is out. Okay, then let's go ahead. Yep, nice. Perfect choke. Was not intentional, but it worked out. Yeah, bot deck side gets rid of that. That's annoying. It's fine though. Cherry. Okay, I mean like I just need to draw a 4 at this point now. Another 4. I got rid of 2 of them because I'm stupid. Yeah, of course. That's not a 4. Alright, we'll make this work. We'll make this work. Let's see. We'll get there. Play this out. I'll the double typhoon. Get the effect. Yep. Show me Gargo. Bot deck 5. Alright. It's not great. Not bueno at all. Alright. What do you even do at this point? Like, like what do you actually do? Ah, it's fine. We'll just FF this. Alright, let me go ahead and fix my textures real quick. Let's see. Would it be possible to have a website with a zip file to the current images? No. As far as Huang Zero can do, I am not giving anyone the images. That is, nope. Me no do that. Let's see. Alright, let me go ahead and fix this real quick. If you, random citizen, want to obtain those images and distribute a folder, I will not stop you. However, I will not do that. If you like catch my drift. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're good now. Yeah, it's a copyright thing. So if you citizen want to do it, by all means. What deck do I even want to play? There's some Bagra, dude. I'm down for some Bagra. What is the estimate until EX6? Probably not for a while. Not, at least not until it's officially out. Is there rules for content creator? Nah, go crazy. Have fun. Enjoy. It is out now. Enjoy life. It's like fun every time. When Digivolving, you don't have you play you. I mean, yeah, I don't. It's fine. That's not you. That is not you. Guess we can grab another one. Try and keep searching for it. Like, we're pretty desperate to get you in hand, so. How long does it take to code one set? It depends on the complexity of certain cards, and like, if it has like certain mechanics and stuff, like, for example, like, God, I paired in the Megazoo again? That's crazy. Anyway, I mean, it depends, right? Like, you have, like, sometimes you have, like, complex mechanics, like, Partition, or, Blastace, or Digicross, and, like, things like that can take a lot of time, I would say, so. Anyway, just move this up. Jesus Christ. I need to hit this Uamano, dude. That's terrible for us. That's so bad for us. Oh my god. Alright, it's fine. Where's you? You! Surely at a certain point, I just need to, like... Surely at a certain point, I just need to, like, grab Not and these, like, goons, but, like, I need to find this fucking U card, dude. Jesus Christ. Alright, and then we have asked some of our, one of our devs asked to see if they could join the stream and like talk about like Q&A stuff, so I said that they can go ahead. So let's see if they want to pop in. Dude, I swear there's a U in this deck, bro. Like, I swear. Oh, I swear. The rank system will not be in this beta. It'll be sometime in the future. But it is on the agenda. Alright. Still not you. Dude, this card just doesn't fucking exist. Like, I'm convinced. It's not real. Bruh, we got there! We got there! We got there! Ah! Alright, now we're Bogger gaming, dude. Oh, it's so lit now. Alright, let him Blastace us if he wants. Yeah, that's fine. We got what we needed. Alright, come in. Go block. Block, block, block. Yes, sir. Get us back that. Yep. Get that save. Yeah. Oh, it's so fucking lit, dude. Let's see. When you evolve on play, you can place when you progress in the trap. Yeah, now we're good right now. Machine. This doesn't do anything. I mean, just like... Now we can actually like search useful stuff, which is cool. Took us some time, but we fucking got there. Does the sim have a dedicated Discord? Yeah, just go ahead and join the Huang Zero Discord. That's kind of where we're having people come for right now. What are you swinging? Oh, Choo-Choo? That's fine. Yeah, save it into here. Ah, yes! Oh, he's gonna evolve Zwart Defeat, isn't he? Oh, he's gonna evolve Zwart Defeat. I'm gonna lose all my shit. No, please! Oh, this is gonna suck ass. I can already tell. I mean, really no reason not to save, right? But yeah, I'm gonna get Zwart defeated. Ah. Oh, it doesn't matter! Oh, I'm the better player! It's too easy! Estimated time for BT16? Not until post-release. Also, yeah, there's the defeat. There's the defeat. Yeah, that's fine. It'd be like that. That is A-okay. Because now we're cooking. Oh, that sucked. Oh, I didn't think about that. Oh, it's bad. Okay. Okay, swing. We'll do this. We'll tuck. Put you underneath. Nice. Nice. It's fine. Nice. We could Astral Snatcher. Get rid of the Sword Defeat, but I don't think it really matters that much, like. Yeah, I don't think it matters that much. Can't play this. Don't have enough source reduction. Don't want to give him the Alter B setup. Maybe I could like get him to commit a little bit more for the Alter B. Maybe that would be okay actually. Yeah, that sounds pretty okay actually. Yeah, let's do that. So okay, so I do. If I need this at least. Deny Psych. Yeah. Deny Psych mod. Or deny Death X play, right? Seems good. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Barrage. Let's get rid of this. Dude, this security's crap. We're just cooking. Lady Debbie? Alright, nah, it's easy. So easy. It's so free.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Alright. Alright, chat. This is one of the devs, if you want to introduce yourself.
My name's Michael. Been kind of working in the industry for about 15 years. So really happy to be working on the sim. Passion project, if you will.
Oh shit, we also have one of our other devs, if you want to introduce yourself.
Yep, William, or WW Monkey. Yeah, I was part of this project a while back. Been mostly assisting with development currently, on bug fixes.
Oh fucking yeah.
And also the Mac version.
Alright, hold on. I'm trying to cook right now with Bagra Army. One sec. How the fuck? But yeah, if you guys want to kind of like talk about like the development and all that stuff, feel free to while I cook some Bagra real quick. I'll even stream it if you want to watch this quality gameplay.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm
Mike,
tuned into your stream
Are
right
you still
now.
using my Mega Man textures?
I am using the Mega Man texture actually, yeah.
Good.
Hell yeah, dude, this shit's sick.
Yeah, so like me coming into the picture here, it was kind of we were behind, obviously from BT14, so we had to make up BT15, start X17. and start working on BT16 since that's coming out very soon. So we had to do all of those just to get caught up. And yeah, we're finally there. So it feels really good. We tried to make some improvements along the way with some settings and things like that. We still got a lot more to do. But now that we have it fully launched, those updates will just come out when they're ready, and you guys won't have to do anything special for it. It'll just download it.
Dude, what the
Yeah, and then one of those improvements we did on the back end, which I talked about in one of the chats, was we implemented a different back end while we work on doing a whole event system for the game to make everything more efficient. So we are doing performance updates on looking into that, as well as completely new features.
Yeah, and I know like ranked ladder, timer, friends list. There's like a whole slew of things we really want to like add, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Just do this.
I think when we first talked, I was very interested in how a ranking system would work.
Yeah, I think top of our list is a UI overhaul.
Yeah.
And then immediately after that is ranked.
Yeah. And I know definitely there's like wait. Oh, it reduces by 2 for each. Fuck. I forgot. This card's better than I thought it was. Whoops. Fucking teehee, I guess. Yikes.
I see one of the questions in the chat. Lewis Welch, question for the devs. I'm using. Yeah, it's written in C#. I'm gonna read your chat, by the way, while you're.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. So yeah, it's written in C# because it's Unity, primary language, and we're using the IL2C PP backend, which is basically 2C++, to just kind of make the update function a little bit more efficient for people with lower end computers.
Yeah, because who would have thought there would have been so many update function methods going on?
Crazy.
We do have a couple kind of back end behind the scenes things that we're going to be updating over time, switching to a more event system instead of what it's doing currently, which is or timing based. So letting those timings be events might run a little faster in the long run. We'll be switching that over time. No idea when exactly that's going to come out, but
oh, and as I guess just a public service announcement, please share this with your locals and like try to reinvigorate your local scene with this. By the way, I mean that's a big reason why I think this exists.
Yeah, for
Keep
sure,
the game,
absolutely. Also,
keep the game going.
buy product. like be sure to buy product.
Yep. Support your local game stores. Support the official release. But now you can test out some jank at home.
Yeah, I think that's like. Oh, I didn't think about that. What the fuck? The Dark Master level 5s can pop anything, so this guy just popped his own fucking defeat, and now I'm gonna get fucking sent to the Shadow Realm.
Yep.
I forgot about that. It's funny as shit. All right. Anyway, yeah, no, it's really important to support your locals though. Buy physical product. Help show Bandai that Digimon players are in fact real and we're not just a myth. Can't promote here. Actually held fucking hostage. That's crazy.
And I mean, use this for like local tournament, like online tournaments where I talk about doing that at our locals. We got a pretty big local scene here in Cincinnati, but a lot of us are pretty hyped to just get on this and start playing online. Also, yeah, I see someone in the chat. My friend can't duck me anymore. Yes, they're not allowed. It's a free download.
It is a
Make
free
sure
download.
they play.
Yeah. Dude, I think I've literally checkmated. Like, I don't know what the fuck I do into this Piedmon. I've been Zort defeated twice. I lost W. Fuck, I think this matchup might be fucked, bro.
Well, I mean, I'm a Dark Masters fan, so I can't say anything.
You know what? I believe. Let's do this. Fuck it, dude. Get the
Also-
coolest Darkness Bagura.
I'm sorry if anyone matches an opponent and they randomly disconnect. That's gonna be me trying to get this Mac version up and running.
I'm just gonna.
But there's so many people on, everyone's getting an instant match anyway.
Yeah. I'm very surprised that I ended up playing into the same Dark Master guy twice. That was kind of impressive, I'm not gonna lie.
Now I'm not getting the error. I'm now just getting an infinite loading.
This thing has no protection. It's gonna fucking, like, die to this level 6. Like, I can't do anything about it. Yeah.
And I'm seeing a lot of people in your chat talking about battling their friends at work. Don't let the sim get you fired.
True, yeah, let's avoid that.
Or get your coworkers into it. Hold on now. Hear me out.
True. Alright, so I guess while I have you both here, you guys have made a huge contribution to the sim, obviously as the main developers, and the rest of the dev team are not here. Maybe they'll come later during the stream, but I want to ask, what has been the worst card, like the most pain in the ass card to program?
The one that no one I think is gonna use, even though I think Mike did the biggest work on that one. The purple blue RVO1.
Oh, the little fucking like evil marine angel
Cthulhu.
one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cthulhu, yeah. Oddly enough, the whole reason behind that one and why it was such a pain was because it was the first Digimon effect ever to be a declarative effect. You know, like your mem boost, your training boost, things that you just activate from the trash. It was the first one to do that.
Yeah.
The sim was not ready to handle that, so that one was a bit of a pain to squeeze in there. You'd think it would be easier because you're just adding something new, but no, it's not the same as adding like a new keyword. It's you've got to change structures that are already in place to make it work with this one. It was quite a pain getting that to actually function. But I'd say probably one of the more problem childs has been Revelation of Light more recently.
Yeah, Revelation was a pain.
That one just kept having issues back and forth. It was a nightmare.
Alright, let's see. Alright. I'm like trying to think about like all these fucking plays real quick. Indeed. Okay. So for everyone watching, do you guys know the Takumi Aiba interaction with D Brigade or D Police? Just like random question. Do you guys know the interaction?
Let's see if chat responds.
Well, it's actually a really cool interaction. But Mike and Will, do you guys know about it?
I've not actually used that card in a while. Let me read it real quick.
All right. The important card, it's in my hand. I have the combo in my hand. That's the key here.
I want to see it. I love D Brigade.
Yeah. Don't want to drop this, but.
Oh my god, it's the your turn, right?
Yeah,
The fact that it suspends by an effect, so you get to trigger all your shit just for Digivolving.
Yeah, so when you have Takumi Aiba on the board and you Evo into Hisaryu, when you tap Takumi Aiba for the Hisaryu Evo, it triggers Hisaryu effect, so you evolve into Oryu. It's really like yeah, like it's just like
That's hilarious.
right?
See, and it's stuff like
We love
this
that.
is why I love the sim, because I would never try that in a million years at local.
Yeah, I think Bella was actually the one that showed us that. That was really interesting.
Yeah, I think I might have the Mac version ready to go here. I just gotta test one quick thing. We'll have all three versions.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, we doing
Yeah.
live updates?
Yeah, we're doing live updates. Yeah, so I want everyone to know this, and the funny things of being in game development. I did nothing except for open a scene and load a scene, and then it started working.
All right, and yeah, I think you know, with this whole thing in general, right? I think it's really important that when people report bugs, um, we have to sift through what is actually a bug and like what is just people like not realizing. Like, oh, dude, I didn't summon my Digimon, and they just like didn't realize Pomumon was on the field or some shit like that.
It happens a lot.
It happens a lot, yeah. I don't look
So
forward.
much.
I don't look forward to like sifting through all of it.
Oh, someone asked. So real quick. So in your textures folder for the game, all the textures, card textures included, are modifiable.
Mm-hmm.
So go ahead and just make crazy stuff. No one else could see it. It's just for you.
Yeah.
But you can do custom cards, custom sleeves, custom playmats, custom whatever textures are there. You can go ahead and modify.
Alright, let's go ahead. Let's get the this is RU shit going on.
I am
Yeah,
the
you
one who
really just
commissioned the
need
Bow
to-
Network, Matt. I
Oh
want
wait,
everyone to
oh
know
it didn't
that.
go off.
You really just need to.
Oh wait, no, it's because I didn't have a tamer in my source. I have fucking brain damage. Whoops. Reading's hard.
Swap.
Reading's really hard.
Yeah, you just need to swap the image with the whatever image of your choice. Keep it the name the same for the textures.
Yeah, name does need to be the same. Yeah.
Eventually, I would like to add in like a sort of theme editor where you can have multiple themes and you can switch between them. I think that would be nice. That way people don't have to they can keep the original if they want to switch back, or they can switch to any other theme they're feeling that particular day.
Do we? I guess so. So one of the biggest things in the sim that we've been pushing is like we don't want to have actual art assets as part of the sim. Do
Yes.
we ever intend to have profile pictures, like profile icons? You know what I mean?
I think that's possible.
Yeah, I think it's possible. It'd be a good idea. I think we might need to restructure the look of the board, which I think we're already kind of doing with our UI overall. But yeah, just a good place to put it would be the worry for me.
How long till the cease and desist? Hopefully never. Hopefully never. Best case scenario, Bandai decides to buy the sim. That would be kind of cool, huh?
Yeah, and to go with that, that's why we don't have any of the images in the game. We're making sure we don't launch a new set until a week or two after.
Yep.
We're making sure people support the official release. And I won't be shocked if Bandai's I'm pretty sure they've been aware of this.
Yeah, no, absolutely. They've definitely have been.
It's the,
So I see a question here, releasing the dimensions for all of the textures. So you can actually just right click and go to properties and see the details of all the textures. So you can just see the size.
Does this have reboot on it? No, it doesn't. I mean, but we have battle protection, like surely that's enough, right? I'm gonna swing 12k. Like I believe it'll never punish. Like I would never get punished here.
I think I'll just start working on
16.
Doro Greymon.
Dude, I'm
BT16.
so excited for that shit. I'm not gonna lie.
That's where I left off. It's Doro Grey.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
oh, we got another one.
I came back from feasting to celebrate the sim release.
Ah, yes. Alright, let's see. Question for the dev. Suggestion would be releasing the dimension for all the textures. I posted in the DCGO chat. It's pinned. You have the ability to. I think I already pasted the blank slate, so you just have to edit it. And that's from Will, our developer here.
Yep. And go ahead too when you're doing all this. when you're doing textures, you can increase the resolution
Mhm.
of that, but make sure it's increments of like ×2 or like 1.5.
So somebody suggested we could charge money for the download, and no, we
No.
no. There's
Yeah, no.
absolutely we refuse to ever charge for the sim. Like it's just not happening.
Yeah. Do you guys want the sim to die? Because that's how you kill the
I'm
sim.
about to say I don't want Daddy Bandai to like just grab the fucking shotgun and just like end it.
Yeah,
all, dude.
like-
I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah. We will never accept money for the sim. It's completely free for everyone involved.
Yep.
Please repeat this to everyone that you know. It's free. It's open for everyone. The link is available for everybody.
Is there
Go.
an option to show the stacks? I mean, if you want to show the stacks, you. 13,
You just right click on it.
Yeah, if you just right click, you can look at it. That's like what you have to do for right now. And we do
talks of doing that with like keyboard shortcuts and just rolling over it.
and we do have a lot of like plans to add like quality of life stuff.
Yeah, like we got quite a bit of question about recording.
Am I getting fucking ordained? Oh, I am getting ordained.
So, Mr. Dev, when do you think we'll be able to add a recording feature? That seems to be the most popular thing that people ask for.
Yeah, it is pretty popular. I think right now which that reminds me, Huang, we do need to release that roadmap.
Oh yeah, we could release a roadmap, huh?
We got a roadmap that kind of outlines what we're planning throughout the next year, basically this year. I haven't taken it farther than that. But currently, recording is not a part of anything in this first year.
Yeah, I mean, I think like getting cards out, and some other quality of life, I think it would take like priority, right?
Yeah, I mean, like to be honest, a replay feature would be nice, but you're playing on a computer. Most computer have the ability to record gameplay if you wish. So
yeah, and actually going at that, if you have just NVIDIA, you have a built-in recorder already. You could just download OBS. And the benefit of doing it that compared to us, like giving you a video file or anything like that, is better quality and better editing. Because there's a lot of parameters when it comes to recording video.
Regardless of everything, we're still a fairly small team, and there's limitation on what we can do. So we kind of have to pick and choose what's like the priority feature.
Oh,
so
sidebar. Bug. So I had Brigadra plus Nume, and I had protection inheritable, and then I got ordained, and then they both got popped without prompt to protect. But since it deletes at the same time, I should be prompted to protect, right?
That sounds correct because you should have the prompt to delete, and then you protect the one.
Right? Yeah.
That way how it would go for like something like X program.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I imagine that's the same here.
Well,
Well,
work is never done.
No, it is not.
No.
That's why this is an open beta. You know, the beta. Dude, like I found so many bugs. Like there's something about police with bugs. Like there's so many bugs with police.
Huang, you said you had Brigadra with protection and Nume on board?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And that was all?
Yeah. And then
so the protection, you have to delete something with debrigade in its traits. I don't think Nume does. It's just DigiPolice.
Is it not police? It's police or wait, no, let me read.
The protections is just
it's
debrigade.
Only
it's
only debrigade. Why?
Yeah. You know what? I would love to know the answer to that.
Never mind. What the fuck? Why?
Wow. Yeah, it's actually only debrigade. Okay.
The more you know, I guess. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Wait,
I would love to know the answer to that question.
That's actually so bad. That's such a bad protection.
That's so random.
It's my philosophy that everything black is always super good, but there's just one tiny detail that makes it not so good.
The more you know, I guess. But like, what the fuck?
Yeah, there's always an asterisk on D Brigade.
Fucking D Brigade, dude.
Love my dinos with guns, but
This deck is gonna give me like
Always.
a fucking hernia, man. I swear to God.
well, actually, here, raise of hands. Who thought you could do a DCD bomb off of effects and then
yeah.
realized that
Yeah.
was a fun one?
I'm just gonna go ahead and link this under. Let me get the fucking Ginryu.
Have you gotten the white tamer effect off yet? Like the combo?
I needed a police under. I needed a tamer underneath. I didn't have a tamer underneath, so it didn't do anything. Yeah, which turns out is a lot more awkward than you'd imagine, because in order to get the free to play tamer combo, you either need to have the Ryuda or you need to have the Nume, and like if you don't have either of them, which it was the case in this game, I just like fucking, and I was just like, huh. Honestly, I think the biggest thing that I've learned playing The Sim is like how much shit you don't realize. And you're like, yeah, dude, this is surely a bug. And then you read it and you're like, what the actual fuck? I feel like that's just everything in a nutshell, really.
Yeah.
Wow. Also, I'm
Someone
gonna
asked,
agree. What's up?
Someone asked, having worked on the sim, do you think Bandai could have done DBS Master as a sim? Or does it make sense for them to scrap that project?
So
What is DBS Masters?
it's
No.
their older Dragon
It's-
Ball thing.
Yeah.
I think it's possible. The problem is, I think that game might have had too many effects, and it was just at the point of its life cycle pretty hard to learn. I still think it's weird what they did at Dragon Ball. Truly, I think they just did it because there was so many sets in, and they were releasing it in Japan, and they just wanted a new product to kind of give people. I'm not really a big fan of how they've been handling Masters versus Fusion World, personally. It's just weird. That's my 2 cents.
Honestly, dude, I just lost my fucking tamer. This game is fucking doomed, bro. If I knew about how the fucking Hisaryu interaction worked, maybe this would have been okay. But alas, it's okay.
Somebody asked, why was an image scraper used to get the card images instead of an
Instead of a what?
EXE?
Well, I mean, the image scraper is an exe.
Yeah.
I swear I don't understand the question.
Yeah, there's more to that. Elaborate more, because I will be curious.
Also, why did you play the tamer out?
What? Huh?
You played the tamer out at the end of your turn. That's the reason it got popped. Your level 4 had protection. It couldn't be removed.
Why does that matter? It has protection for the entire thing without tamer. Like, even if I detach the tamer, I still have protection.
Yeah, but you detached the tamer at the end of your opponent's turn.
Yeah, why does that matter? Oh, to be fair, I just wasn't thinking about Lucamon. To be fair, I really just wasn't thinking about
Yeah.
Lucamon.
Yeah, if you had done that, you would not be in this predicament you're in right
That's
now. Just saying.
fine.
You would still have a tamer. And go to 3 memory.
Also, it's starting to lag, which I imagine is just because there's so many people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we hitting server cap yet?
Do we what?
Are we hitting server capacity yet?
I don't know.
Actually, yeah, you should check that real quick. I'm
Yeah,
curious.
I will check.
You should
that in a
probably
sec, yeah.
check that. That seems like important info we should know on the launch day.
Yeah, I've been checking the guide, and I think we're still at over 100 people plus on the looking at the guide, and that's been for the past hour at this point.
Let's see. If we are hitting capacity, I will bump it. What's happening? It's fine. I'm reading real quick. It doesn't actively tell me like how many people we have. Or we're at 159 right now. It says 159, but I'm willing to bet it's more.
Yeah, that
That
seems a little low.
Yeah. All right.
Wait, how much does it? How much does it say?
So it says
All
one.
the-
It says 159 on Photon, but I don't actually believe that.
Although most people are probably still waiting on the
The download.
image scraper.
Yeah.
But even though a scholar and a saint already posted
Yeah.
links of
I wonder who that could be. Huh?
images, I wonder. I don't know.
Someone
Yeah.
that clearly just tripped and accidentally posted it.
Accidentally posted all of the textures. Couldn't
And-
be me, dude.
Oops, it fell out of somebody's
Oops.
bucket.
Oops.
Crazy.
Yeah, I can bump it up. Hold up. If I purchase the more expensive one, does it immediately take place? I would imagine
Yeah.
so. Okay.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
just
this-
auto does it.
Cloud-based.
Ugh.
Shouldn't reset anything.
It like doubles in price. Oh.
Well, I mean, just wait to see if we hit cap first. before you
Yeah.
back in
Yeah. We'll
anything.
wait.
I imagine we will run into plenty of server issue. Don't you worry.
Yeah.
That's a good problem to have, unfortunately.
Yeah. It just be like that.
Yeah.
Oh, thank fucking god, this site is not like absolutely blasting me.
What you mean? You don't? Oh wait. I thought they were gonna play level 5 and pop your 5.
Well, I mean, I'm immune right now, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, are you immune?
Yeah. The bigger
Oh,
question
okay.
is, how the fuck do I ever like break through this?
Hey, sorry you.
Ugh.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't fucking know either, dude.
Well, technically, you can evolve for Hisaryu and then evolve into your boy for free.
Hang on, bot like this. Wait, what?
So because you have enough memory to go. You have enough memory to go into a 4, right?
Possibly. This is getting popped though. I feel like this is just getting popped. I can't tell. I don't know if I'm getting popped or not.
No, it should be end of turn.
Well, I mean, like, I just didn't know if the Gatomon was gonna like come out and beat me. Okay, we're good. Thankfully.
Right. So I would attach under the level 3,
Yeah. Okay. hold
and
on.
then you. Yeah.
Let's get the free. Get the free mem. Evo
You-
into 3 in the back.
Do you have another tamer by chance?
We only have Takumi.
I'm sorry. I mean, you can free play off Numi. Okay. So, anyways, just evolve rookie first.
No.
Wait, you're about to deck out. That's the problem.
It's fine. We'll just win this turn, bro. Easy.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Easy.
Also, again,
Uh,
because I know there's new people here, spread the word far and wide.
This is true. Yeah, we're just gonna duck out, Lama. That's
Oh
fine.
yeah. So if you weren't gonna deck out, what you could do this turn is you can evolve 4 and then evolve 5 and then tap the tamer on the 5 evolution.
Yeah.
Um,
and then
Go and then free evolve 6 bot deck.
Alright,
Of course, somebody would ask that.
we're just gonna. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead. We're just gonna do the combo for funsies at this point. Just to resolve it.
Oh yeah. So for people asking about release date, our goal right now is to always release after the physical card release because we really don't want to affect the sale of the physical TCG. So currently, what you guys would say? Well, like 2 weeks after the physical launch of
One, 2, depending. I feel like.
yeah, 1 or 2.
Yeah, so right now we're tracking how long it takes us to finish a set and figure out what that's going to look like in the future. But the plan currently, and this is a big scoop for everybody, 1 week after release is when the plan for BT60.
Yep, you heard it here first. The other thing is, as you guys know, originally our plan was to have both the Japanese and the English ladders simultaneously on the game, but Bandai then announced the merge that was happening, and we decided that was not a very efficient use of resource. So
Yeah.
we ended up doing, hey, we're just gonna have an English release because the merge is happening. So going forward, because of the merge. Eventually, we're gonna try for 1 week initially. Right now, because we still have a little bit of buffer time between seeing the cards in English, in the Japanese release, and then coding it, and then having the English release come out afterward. But eventually, we're gonna get to a point where those cards are gonna come out. We can get the full review, and then the set is gonna drop like a week after. So, given the time limitation on development, it might be. So don't hold us to the 1 week timeline. That's all I'm saying. It might be longer once the merge eventually happen,
Yeah.
and we're at the same time released in Japan.
All right. I wish we
Yeah,
could.
we're-
Oh, go on. Sorry.
I was gonna say I think when we get merged and it's a global reveal of cards, we'll probably start trying to at least program out some of the cards beforehand. I think that's the current idea. We gotta fix some bugs first and catch up on everything. And we'll be doing QA and everything on those cards before public release. So we'll make sure that it's all polished and good, as the least amount of bugs as possible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think the current plan is we're going to be going back to back on sets. So as soon as 16's done, we're going to start. Was it EX6?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then once that's
Sorry for yellow and
done,
purple.
we'll start BT17 and just going to continue like that. Try the best we can. Get it all done. Get caught up.
Okay, so it looks like we're at one. According to Photon, which I don't. Again, it might not be accurate. We're at 172 right now, but I don't think that's accurate. Because
That's gonna climb.
yeah, because like throughout that game, I was lagging like a motherfucker, dude. So we will. I'll probably bump it up like sometime this weekend. All right.
It'd be like that.
All right, I'd be like that. All right.
Whatever the card's not in the EXE itself. It's very simple. We cannot and will not have any card images
Yeah.
in the sim whatsoever. You are responsible for getting those. So I made a tool that will help get those images, but what you do with them
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
up to you.
We
We're not-
basic. Oh,
we're
go
not
on.
gonna we're not gonna distribute Bandai copyrighted images.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
That just sounds like griefing.
Yeah.
Like the tools out there. You guys do whatever you want with it. It exists, but
And
we are not
to-
going to distribute any copyright content by Bandai.
and to go along with that too, if everyone's like, well, the game's playing it. Just quick thing, you cannot actually copyright gameplay, essentially. So we tried our best to be in the clear, and also that's why we're making sure we're not, releasing early, so we don't get Bandai angry. We're trying to, unless they do a sim, we want to make sure we're kind of abiding by the rules.
Yeah.
I mean, we're just trying to be very respectful at the end of the
Yeah.
day. I mean, we did this project because we want for it to exist for the community. Like we don't want to create any bad blood with Bandai, because ultimately at the end of the day, they're still the owner of the IP and they can do
Yeah.
anything they want. Like we take all this precaution, but at the end of the day, if they really want to, they can try to shut us down. But
So like you said, we gotta play that being very respectful game. And like we said early in the stream, we're pretty sure they're aware of it.
Yeah. I'd be
we
impressed
don't-
if they weren't, to be honest.
we kind of make a very big announcement that got a lot of views a few months ago. Just saying.
Yeah.
Bandai it would be kind of insane if Bandai didn't know it exists by now.
And there are two people for nationals, Yoshi and True Champ Steve. They were playing it.
Yeah.
They stream it. A lot of people have streamed this by now. Like it would be very surprising if they don't know.
Yep. And yet since it's out there, yeah, go ahead and stream. We used to have a rule back in the QA days, but it's gone now. Feel free, everyone's free.
Yeah, and I said this earlier, but like best case scenario would be like Bandai decides to buy the sim. That would be really cool. I don't think they ever would, but like that would be best case scenario rather than getting like shot, I guess. Like rather than getting C&D'd, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
But
And
yeah.
then we probably have to do this hoeing in your server, but
Mhm.
we have the DCGO server. But other thing, just kind of looping back into the art assets and not including them, because everything is modifiable. We do have community packs. Again, hoeing here is playing with the Bow Network one that I had
Mhm.
commissioned someone. Someone made a Sonic one. We have a Kingdom Hearts one. Like people
Yeah.
can get crazy with this stuff.
Yeah, you can make your own custom stuff too if you want.
Yep. It's all cool.
Alright.
Yeah. Also, the thing to keep in mind is again, this is an open beta, so if something happens and you think it's incorrect, make a bug report. Not
Mhm.
everything that happens in the
Yes.
sim is going to be 100% correct.
Yeah.
Please
Mm.
check the field though.
Yeah.
Please check the field.
Yeah, we still got a few known issues already. I can actually go through those if you guys want.
Yeah, go. I'd say go through them. Tacti and Pillam, Tactimon and Lampmon.
Yeah,
Dead.
Taki Lamp, just they're not in the sim.
They're not. And actually, that kind of reminds me. I would like to amend my previous statement, Huang, that Lampmon is the most annoying card
Oh yeah, you
to
know.
develop right now.
Personally, I would not be upset if they made an official sim and C&DS. It's just like then we have an official sim.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because they're
Like-
not gonna C&D unless they have a competing product.
yeah.
Yeah.
It would just,
If-
it would
if-
just feel bad. It would just feel bad. I feel like.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if they made an official sim and then they asked us to shut it down, I think
I mean, it's
We
fair.
would.
Like that's valid. It
Yeah.
would feel bad, you know.
I do also want to add, like, so if there is an official sim and we're not C&D or anything like that, development will continue.
right.
I don't think there would be a reason to stop.
Yeah, like and at the end of the day, we have an environment where like Yu-Gi-Oh Pro exists, right? So
Mhm.
Yeah,
or
exactly.
EDO Pro exists. Like it's not just because Master Duel came out didn't mean Yu-Gi-Oh Pro had to shut down. Like there's been a billion Yu-Gi-Oh games, and I know people give Bandai a lot of crap, but if you want to talk about being like very protective of their IP and being very lawyer happy, I think Konami is a lot more lawyer happy than Bandai has, because I don't know if you guys know, but Bandai don't even like they allow you to use a lot of their video game music.
Yeah. 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 For the most part, they do. Yeah.
Yeah. Like the entire band, to my understanding, like basically the entire band network soundtrack you can use without any issue on streams.
What the fuck? I looked away. What happened? Huh? Wait. Why? Why is this a burning Greymon with 3 security checks? What the fuck happened? Was it 4 Atomic Infernos? Okay, it was 2 Atomic Infernos.
Yeah,
plus
that's what he did.
Takuya. Jesus. Oh, I'm cooked.
Wait, are you alive because of this?
No, because Gravity Crush. Ah, dude, I'm cooked!
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? Huh? Ukumon
Huh?
swing game.
You have a blocker.
What block? Oh, you're not there yet. I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
What the fuck, dude? I got cooked.
Crimson? Yeah, you did
Yeah.
get...
Got fucking Crimson Blaze. Yeah, I'm fucking dead. Dude, I did Gravity Crush double atomic. Dang.
How many cards can you have on the field? What is that? 16
like-
right now?
Yeah,
No,
something like
it's-
that.
It's like 20, I think.
I think we had 20, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
16 to 20.
Yeah, something like that. God, fucking Atomic Inferno, dude. Jesus Christ.
Damn, he
No,
could...
that
I got
that needs to
cooked,
probably
yeah.
be added
Dude, I actually got
to the
cooked. What the
roadmap too.
fuck?
that was actually tournament red hybrid player.
He was the one, bro. Like that person was the chosen one. All right, let's play some fucking BLs. It was so funny listening to you guys. He's still alive. You're still alive. What do you mean? Oh, never mind.
Well, because yeah,
I know,
you're not
I know,
sure.
I know. It's just really funny. Dude, I'm not mentally ready to have to. Actually, the server was fine last game. Maybe it's okay. Maybe we don't have to upgrade it just yet.
I just keep an eye on it.
Yeah, I'll have to keep an eye on it. I was just earlier today. I was debating if I wanted to play Final Fantasy 14 again. So,
Oh, hey, get on Genova. You know, I'm on right now, so.
are you actually playing right now?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Let's beat Stormblood.
You should play with him, because he's looking for people to play with.
I was gonna say the only reason I haven't resubbed is because like I don't have anyone to play with right now. So I really want to swing.
I'm
I
dragging,
mean-
so I just go Oonga Boonga with a stick.
I told him to jump on my server, but you know
What? Hold up.
he refused.
I'll do it. I mean, they open cross server now.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the thing now.
Yep.
I mean, if you want, yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna resub. I mean, I'm always sub, but I'm gonna replay for Doncho.
Yeah.
There's literally no reason to evolve that. Save that.
Nope. Fuck you. How dare you? This look cooler. Oh.
You want to know something that's just so trippy after working on the development for this?
What?
Working on the actual card effects, you really start to learn. Purple's kind of broken with all of its text.
Did you have fun?
it
Did you have
has a
fun
lot.
coding all of Lavia?
That was actually really, really fun to program. It was not a big pain in the ass as I thought it would be. Nor Quantumon. Quantumon wasn't as big of a pain.
It was revelation of
too.
light.
Oh, I'm actually so curious. How did you code Quantumon? Because that seemed like a pain in the ass.
How do you code it?
Yeah. Like what was the issue that you thought you were running into, and then what was your solution?
Well, the issue I thought I would run into is the whole. It's the first card that actually lets you choose Digimon Tamer.
Okay.
Blah blah blah.
And then that just became like a prompt, and it wasn't any issue.
Yeah, so I just kind of utilized prompts that already existed to ask, like, do you want this to go to top or bottom of security?
Okay.
And used that and just replaced it with, instead of just yes or no or top or bottom, replaced it with 3 options instead of 2. And it
I
just
wonder what
checked it
new
out. I was like, oh,
mechanic.
sweet.
Yeah, I wonder what new mechanic is going to be a prompt for you.
I mean,
So
we're working on partition right now.
Yeah.
Right now we have partition and collision. Those are the 2 new keywords for 16. We've done some
Ice body's the new
testings.
one.
Petition doesn't seem bad because petition just seemed like a floating mechanic that you do like a check, right? Like you just have to check for both pieces. Or is that more? It's more complicated than I'm thinking.
Yeah, it's more complicated than that. I honestly thought collision would be harder, but apparently with some testing that we've done on some of the other colors that have been completed right now, collision is working. Partition is not.
Oh, okay.
Understandably, partition sounds like a bitch.
So I have to
Wait, no,
partition.
no, what are you doing? What?
Nope. Nope.
That's the wrong imp one. Oh my god.
Nope. Wait, to revive? Nah, dude, he's gonna pop it, and then I'm gonna get milled 3. It's gonna be super lit.
Why would you just not set up? I hate you so
What
much.
set up? What set up?
Quick.
Like the other imp so you can warp next
It's gonna
time.
die. It's going to get shot. Like,
What? How?
Oh, I feel so stupid.
hey, hello.
I'm sitting here watching you guys talk, or hearing you guys talk about Impmon and Beelzemon, and I'm like, but he's playing D Brigade.
Oh.
Because my live stream was not set to live.
Oh, actually, I'm gonna insert another development wackiness because I'm currently working on this Mac version. Mac version hates me. I am working on it for anyone that plays on Mac, but might be a bit. But when that's up, we're gonna have full crossplay between Mac, Linux, and Windows, which is gonna be nice. And if you have a Steam Deck, you can play this on Steam Deck too.
It's gonna die, huh?
Look, man, I thought it was gonna die. All right, unlucky. It's fine,
Ooh.
bro. We cooked it.
Okay, it's just the higher quality Hexable Almon got shown.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. I cannot wait for that deck. That was like the one blue deck I really enjoyed playing. It was that, and then Green Hybrid were some of my first two decks I really liked.
Do you think Ice Suit would be annoying to code?
How would you even code that? Like,
It would just take priority, right? If it's on the field, take priority over DP. Check.
The
Yeah,
new
ice where
suit,
it can't be
ice
deleted.
suit, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
more worth
right
it.
now the same kind of in a battle, it checks DP. If DP is equal, less than, or greater than, it does different things. So yeah, it would be as simple as if that effect is active, checking. What is it? Sources? Is that what
Sources,
it
yeah,
is?
sources
yeah,
instead of
check
DP.
sources. Mhm.
Checking
Yeah.
sources instead of DP. Like that one's going to be fun to add in, but it's going to be pretty simple.
And then I guess I should add too. I
Hey.
know it's me and Mike on the chat, but we do
Just-
have two other devs.
Alex,
as
I
well.
hate you so much. Why don't you?
Literally not listening to you.
I fucking hate you so much.
You saying things means nothing to me when you're behind.
Quick thing. Someone the Genius posted on chat.
Yeah,
about,
I'm behind, so I can call misplay.
Nope.
After the
Is
fact.
it a misplay when we're winning? No, sir.
So the Genius, quick thing with your, if you're running it on a Windows virtual machine, it should just work on Mac. Just download the standalone build. Actually, even the normal version might just work on a virtual machine for Mac, so that should be fine.
That is
I
so
am
funny.
working on it though.
I was about to say when we first started, the idea of a Linux and a Mac build was so like far out of the fucking question. And now like here we are, and we're like, yeah, dude, like just we're there, you know, which is I think it's like
you
super
can
cool.
you can thank Valve for the Linux version.
The coding language we used was C#.
Oh, yeah, you look at the.
I mentioned the Steam Deck version works perfectly fine.
Yeah. So if you download for the Steam Deck, I have it in the guide, which you guys have access to now. But basically, all you do is download the standalone version instead of the one with the updater, and then you add it to Steam as a non-Steam game. Go to Properties, make sure it launches with Photon, and you can go back into the Steam OS view instead of the desktop view, and you can set up your controls however you want them to be set up, and you're good to go. But the Steam Deck is a touchscreen too, so you can use the touchscreen of the Steam Deck because it emulates mouse input. We actually have someone at Locals who has a Windows touchscreen tablet, and that's how he's been playing, is dragging and dropping the cards. So, and you get set to be played with controller, touchscreen, however you want to play it.
That's actually
to you.
fucking funny. I wish I had the skills to support this project to bring it to Mac. I mean, it's already at Mac, right? It just needs to like finish.
Yeah, there's just so I guess for transparency's sake, there's just like a weird issue when Mac tries to connect now, and this didn't really happen before, or at least if it did, we didn't catch it.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they get stuck in an infinite connection loop, sometimes they don't. It is a coin flip, and I've been trying to figure out what the exact issue is. I think I've traced it down to a very weird Photon bug that looks fixable, but I have to spend some more time on it. So Mac version, just keep on checking every day. Eventually it'll be lit up blue and you can download it.
Yeah. Also, we don't have a phone version for this just yet. Is that something you guys think like can see in the future like happening?
Yeah, so I think because everything's here's a mouse click, because I was thinking about this actually. I don't think I talked about this with Mike yet. But everything's basically a mouse click using the old Unity input system. So in theory, the inputs could work. I don't see why they wouldn't.
Mm-hmm.
But the biggest hurdle is textures. So I don't think it'll ever come out on iPhone until... I mean, technically it'd work on iPhone. over in Europe where you could sideload apps.
Mm.
But and I've looked at how we handle the textures currently. I found out where we can do that on Android. I don't have an Android phone to really test it on. Mike, I think you do. If you ever want to get really bored one day and try that out.
Well, I mean,
Screw it. Let's make an Oculus Quest version. We're getting in VR. We're gonna make Digimon Liberator real.
I mean, I got a VR set for my birthday, bro. Let's set it up, dude. Let's make it a reality.
Dude, I'll play VR with you too. Let's go.
I was gonna say we were able to successfully stream it using the Moonlight streaming thing, which is just a mirror app from your desktop to the phone.
Oh,
and that was able to handle touchscreen.
Somebody said, when are we releasing this to the Samsung Smart Fridge? That's a great question.
If it runs on Android, you know.
Yeah, if it runs on Android, it can run on anything.
All right, guys, we're not turning this into Skyrim, all right?
I think we embraced the meme.
I don't see a problem.
Now,
you could load an APK, it can run.
The real question is, can you run this on the texture instrument calculator, the TI-80?
Let's go.
That would be a real development challenge. Just saying.
I think we just gave Mike an aneurysm.
Dude,
I'm also having an aneurysm because I'm reading Dora Gray, and I'm like,
oh yeah,
good lord, this thing is just going on forever.
Which one? The one from the new one?
BT16. When an attack target is switched, this Digimon with Tamer with the SOC trait and his Digivolution cards may Digivolve into a Digimon with Beast Dragon Undead SOC trait in your hand without paying its cost.
That sounds like so much fun. I don't see the problem.
Yeah.
Oh, someone asked. So it's textures card. The folder that is created, or that you had created, should be called textures, not texture. And that folder has to be right where the launcher is as well. They have to be in the same folder. We just released an update that should automatically create that for you. But yeah, that is where it goes.
God, I don't have a blocker to stop this fucking Oryukin from caving my skull in, dude. That's tragic. I got. Oh, go on, sorry.
I was gonna say, I think we got Quantum on. I think we could get any other Yu-Gi-Oh! Like card
That's
handled.
Valid, yeah. Oh wait, I can still get Digimon. That's right. Does that fucking matter? No, right? It's fucking 17k. Dude, I got a BT13 Alphamon locked plus Congo. I literally can't swing at his face in the game. Like, I'm just fucking stuck, dude.
Oh, I will edit the Google Doc for that. Thank you for pointing that out. Also, what source did you use for card images? We use Bandai's official site, so we just scraped images from their official site. So Bandai is actually supplying you the images.
This is true.
Also, let me go ahead and textures.
Yeah, it's fucking Joker. Alright, it is 10.
No, yeah. My bad, I see it says cards.
Are there differences to be able to swap between different playmats within the program for the future? What do you guys think? Probably not, right?
What was the question?
Like,
I'm sorry.
like being able to like change your playmat within the client?
Yeah, that's kind of what I was
Oh, really? Okay.
referring to with the themes thing.
Okay.
I mentioned that earlier. Yeah, just being able to have some sort of in the settings or something, you'd be able to switch a theme, load up images or whatever.
Yeah.
I think that would be a really, really cool quality of life thing.
Yeah.
That people would enjoy.
Oh, actually, one thing we haven't mentioned that we were talking about. So we were other features that we've kind of chatted about internally. The icons, the indicate blocker, and other things. Well, we already have the blocker, but for other things, just put those around the cards. But also, if anyone's played Marvel Snap, the sticker feature.
Oh,
where
like,
you
I didn't know where we were about that because like we can't add any like Digimon stickers per se.
Yeah.
Right? So like, what would you guys want to actually see? Like, what stickers would we add?
So I think we'd do just like generic, like GG, like some funny stickers. Have those be textures that you can replace. Things like that. Just fun little things that again are modifiable. So we can have the whole themes pack.
Yeah. Would you just have people upload like their own? I never mind. I understand. Oh, that could be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that could be cool.
Because I know some people are about to like hook on someone and they're like, oh, I'm so sorry, and they like, and the other person, is probably gonna leave. I mean, I've been there where it's like, I'm not gonna let you cook. I don't know if you're being a dick or not. So having a sticker, it's like, no, I just let me do this. I'm not trying to be rude. I just want to see it go. So if you're being playful with the stickers, I think you could get there.
All right, let's see. I'm trying to read through the chat to see if there's anything. I'm curious for the bots. Is there going to be difficulty levels later on? Anyone know how to program AI like that?
Oh god, the bot.
Yeah, it's definitely a consideration to, the bot's kind of dumb. It's really stupid. At least for me, it won't even attack me at all, ever.
So, two things. Mike, our old friend Artie's in the chat. What's up, Artie? But also a good question here. I'm not sure if this is their own possibility, but being able to replace particle effects would be rad as well. That is technically possible. I'll have to look into that, but they are just images that just move. So I'd have to look into that, but I don't think that's out of the realm of possible. It would be exposing more of these texture options. That is dev time, so I can't obviously commit to that because I don't think we've ever talked about that, but I don't think it's impossible.
Will we have a ladder later on? Yeah, we plan on having a ranked ladder at some point.
Yeah.
Maybe I should just link the.
Yeah, let's.
Roadmap.
Yeah, just do the roadmap. We can just.
Yeah, here. Link me the roadmap. I'll show it on stream.
If I can find it.
Is it the Miro link?
Yeah.
All right, I think I have access to it. Give me one sec. Yeah, I got it. All right, it's time to show the fancy roadmap. All right, let me. Okay, where are we at right now? We are May, right? We're in May. So we're gonna release BT16 sometime after the official release, including promos. UI updates are gonna be happening in the background, as well as adding an activity timer. We want people to be able, because there's a server capacity, so we can only have so many people on the server at a time. So if you have the client open and you're just doing nothing, it counts as being on the server. So we need you to get off basically. But also when you're playing games on the ladder and you pair into an opponent who's just not there, then it sucks. You're just wasting your time. So hopefully that kicks them out. And then EX7 will be added in June. It looks like nice. BT17 in July. EX8 starter deck 18 and 19 all in August. Okay. We're cooking.
The starter decks actually aren't that bad. There's a lot less cards.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Zafaga and Central. We have ranked plus custom matchmaking is slated for hopefully September. And then friends list and emoji reactions towards the tail end. Oh, going into 2025, huh? So I think 2025 winter is when we have the English and Japan formats combined, right?
It's when it starts officially.
Yeah, I believe it's April.
Yeah. So after the January set's the last set before it's all officially merged, if I'm remembering correctly.
Yeah, we are officially caught up on BT20, which is February, right?
Yeah.
And then the very next set that releases will be the first global release.
Yeah, that's gonna be interesting depending on how they add it because of how we grab images too.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to do everything, obviously, but even if we do program certain cards, they might not show up until the rest of 19 gets finished, even if they're programmed.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing is we just want to avoid stepping on toes as much as possible.
Yeah.
It's honestly, I'm excited for this roadmap. I think it'll be a good time. It'll be a great time, especially now that like it's out in the open. Like we don't have to like work from the shadows anymore, which I think is really cool. Very excited for that. Okay, so I just posted the roadmap in the public server. Is that fine, or do I have to remove it?
As long as they can't edit
yeah, that's what I was wondering. Like, did they have ability to edit?
I don't believe so.
Okay, cool. That's fine then. As long as they can't edit it.
I think you have to share it.
Oh, do I have to share it?
Yeah, in a specific way. Like, there's a way to share it without editing.
Let me see. Share. Can view. I got it. Okay. I got it.
Yeah, it creates a separate link.
Quick thing actually, because we were talking about this, and it's part of like the overall like long-term plan. At some point, wanting to open source this, just to make sure it can continue. We don't want the dev efforts to die. I think the original dev, Mike, myself, and the other devs have worked really hard. So making sure this continues is our top priority.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, this project is for the community. So, yeah. If other people want to jump on and continue the work, be great.
Yeah,
I was about to say, because if it's open source, then like people can do the coding on their end, and then they can just send us their code, and then we can just add it on.
Well, that's the beauty of GitHub too. We can actually do pull requests.
Yeah, we don't have it open for that just yet because we need to update our docs and stuff and make sure people understand what's going on. But as I kind of proved while building BT15 and StartX 17, one tiny change can screw up a whole lot.
Yeah. So it's important that we don't let too many cooks in the kitchen with the actual main thing. God, dude.
But
dude, I want the fucking these EX7 cards fully out already, dude. I'm so excited. This set's so fire.
I cannot wait for the Lucimon Cherubimon shenanigans in EX6 personally.
True.
I was gonna build Demon Lords and I still will. But the Lucimon Cherubimon deck looks really funny.
I actually want to play Angels. I've been playing so much Angels.
Angel looks really fun. Shaka looks really fun.
I'm surprised you went so hyped for Angel because Angel's literally just Lord Knight.
No, but Lord Knight's cooler. The Angels are so lame, dude. Like,
in what way? It's literally just better than Lord Knight.
No, I'm not talking about gameplay wise. I'm talking about aesthetic, dude. Lord Knight aesthetic goes hard. Like I don't know, dude. Something about Lord Knight is just so fucking lit. Yeah, I don't know, dude. EX6 I don't care about. EX7, however, that's where my money's at, dude. This says fire. Zafaga's my dude. I love Zafaga.
Yeah, go to that Cherubi real quick.
Wait,
the Cherubi Ace.
Dude, the Cherubi Ace
at
is
the bottom.
busted. That card is busted.
Yeah, you just pit it with Lucimon.
Nah.
Go ahead and just keep on getting them out, and then get your level 6s out, and just keep on going.
That card's actually fucking broken, dude.
Yeah.
Is BT16 added different from BT16 in the game? I'm not sure what that means. If you want to elaborate on that a little bit. Oh, you already got it?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay. I just started looking at EX7 release. Dude. So I know we previously talked about this, but would we ever want to entertain doing, because if we do the cards ahead of time, right, like the Japanese cards, would we ever want to entertain having them exclusively for custom rooms and not in the ladder, or no, we're just not doing that, we're axing that?
I'm against doing it.
Okay, I mean it was just one of those things we discussed before, but
yeah.
I think that will kind of make much more sense if we weren't on a shared schedule.
Fair enough.
So
yeah.
if Japan released 3 months before we did, it would make a lot more sense. But
hmm
now that we're switching over to this
Yeah.
unified schedule, it doesn't really make a whole ton of sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
We also don't know the full development time yet, so I don't want to commit to anything.
Yeah. Let's see. Will there be a way to avoid downloading alt arts when first launching the game's limitations? Of course. I mean, can you specify it on the scraper? Do you guys know?
No, right now we
So-
just have it do everything, just so you know what other people are playing if they chose the alt arts.
Yeah, so the scraper, the way it works is it's specifically built to capture every single card, and every single potential card.
Mhm.
So what it does is it will literally go through, starting from the very beginning, BT1, Start Deck 1, and it will go through Start Deck 1, 001 ID, and then they'll start looking for alt arts of that ID until it can't find one. Once it can't find one, it goes to the next card, and it literally does that over and over and over and over through all the sets. The image scraper wasn't necessarily made to have everybody using it to get all of the cards all at once. It's going to take a long time. It's going to be slow because there's a lot of cards, especially with everyone hitting it all at the same time. If Bandai doesn't know we've launched, they know now. Because their site is going to be taking a hit pretty hard. But yeah, you can use the input field to type in a specific set, and it'll make the downloads a lot smaller because you're only looking at one set rather than the whole. Eventually, I do want to update that to add, being able to just copy and paste the missing cards from your things that you can just update with alt arts and stuff after the fact. There's just a lot of stuff that we want to do.
I'm gonna check the install guide.
Yeah.
Already 3,000 views.
God damn.
3,000.
Yep. That's pretty
Dude,
good.
that's crazy. Dude, it's so surreal, honestly.
That's why I'm telling you, with the kind of stuff, I'm very surprised that we only had 100 something when you told me.
I mean, I'm sure, yeah, like Photon is just like lying into our face.
Yeah. Well, I mean, obviously, Mike, you go. I want your thoughts on it too, but for me as a developer, this is the first launch I've helped with of a live service title, because that's what this is. This is a live service game. So I guess background, I've kind of been in VR development in the medical field at a children's hospital for the past 5 years, and I've been in game dev for a while, but this is the first live service title, so that's super exciting for me.
Yeah, I said this earlier in the stream, I think, but words cannot describe how grateful I am to all of you, to how grateful I am to the community. This was a passion project that started out as a haha kind of funny deed, and we've come so far. And if it weren't for all of the developers and the community for all their support, this would not have gotten off the ground as it is. And this day, the day right before Mother's Day, marks the official release of this, and it took us a little over a year, but we got there. We finally got there. So I thank you, a huge thank you. So
Yeah, we it's one of the things too. I really love this card game. I've honestly made a lot of friends through this card game. Pretty much everyone at our locals are close friends now, and I just wanted to get back to the community, in a big way.
All right, so gotta catch up the chat a little bit. Is there a ranked queue? Eventually, not yet. Let's see. Any plans to sync until BT17? I mean, we're just gonna keep going as long as we can, right?
Yep, as long as we can.
No intention to stop.
Going back to the program in mind. Well, I'm on the bug fixing mines until I'm done teaching classes, but
Yeah. And like I really hope that the community helps one another because there's gonna be a lot of people that can finally try out Digimon because now like price is just no longer a barrier. Period. And it's also just like ease of access. So I hope the community as a whole can help the newer people that are like they want to try Digimon for the first time. They're trying to download the client. We just band together and really just help each other out. Which reminds me, actually, I forgot I fucking made this. I made a whole ass Google Doc with that's my emails. Let's not look at that. Whoops.
don't dox yourself.
Yeah, let's not do that. God, wait, where is it? Was I made a whole Google sheet somewhere. I'm just gonna open up the drive. It's fine. I made a new player starter resource. I forgot about this. I made a bunch of different deck lists for people that are just trying to get into Digimon. It's already pre-made deck lists, and then you can easily export it into the sim. Let me go ahead. Let me do that actually. Google document containing deck lists
Also,
for people getting into Digimon TCG for the first time to try on the DCGO simulator. Alright, perfect. Yeah, I totally forgot I fucking
Awesome.
did that. Jesus Christ.
yeah, and again, Digimon's not exactly a small community. We are a very popular trading card game.
Mm-hmm.
But it's one of those things, like, we do kind of have to be a little bit grassroots. So, I guess just general reminder, again, I know we've said it already, but support your local game store. Try to cultivate, a local community. If you realize your community locally might not be that big, try to cultivate that. Get your friends into it. Ask your card shops to... Hoang, I think you need to make the one thing public.
Yeah, I just saw that. Alright, let me go do that real quick.
But yeah, so try to grow the the scene in your community, because that's what's gonna get Bandai's attention when they see numbers go up.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, really that we want this to help Bandai out too with that, because we want to keep the game going.
Absolutely, yeah. God. Oh man. All right, it should be. Google link should be fixed now. People should be able to. I think they should be able to access it without me having to approve it now. Let me double check one more last time.
Yeah, anyone with link? Yeah, that should be good.
Yeah. Okay, we're good. But yeah.
It does not work on mobile. Someone just asked. It does not work on mobile yet.
Yeah.
Really, we'd have to test it on Android, but I, in my head, believe that it should kind of work. Depending, because of the input system we used.
Mm-hmm.
So we could test that, but that's a whole other beast.
Alright, and yeah, as a community, when people have questions about downloads, like about the sim, like how to download it, how to get their folders work, obviously we're gonna try and answer as much as we possibly can, but we all have stuff within our own lives and work. So if as a community, if we can help each other out and just give a hand, that would be really great. Super, super hypey. Let's see. But yeah, I think we've said just about everything we need to say. Is there anything you guys want to say before we wrap it up?
No, I hope everyone enjoys the sim and keep on playing Digimon. And with my last message, spread the word, grow the community. Yeah, that's really all I got.
Yeah.
Hope everyone has fun.
James, Michael, you guys have any last words before we wrap up? They might just be dead. All right, that's okay.
No, wait. I think it's all Mike's. Mike?
Yeah, I don't really have any other words to wrap up. I know a few awesome people in a few Discords have released images for people to use. Go check those out.
Okay.
Yeah. If you like the sim, support the game. Buy products.
Yeah,
support your local game store.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I mean, honestly, really, we're probably gonna get that message at some points of the game. Like that really is important.
Yeah.
If when Bandai sees money, I mean that's how every corporation works. But if they see money,
Yeah.
like they'll keep on supporting us.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, like if this project is another way we were trying to help grow the game, because like this is a way for easier way for everyone to test, easier way to get people to play the game. Like not everybody have a local environment. I understand
Mhm.
that, but like try to support the game if you can. Buy some cars, support your LGS if you have one. Don't let the game die at the local level. That's really important, especially in the US. In the Western market, the local scene is very important for TCGs.
Mhm.
Yeah.
All right, and so on that note, we're gonna bounce because it is almost 11. So have a good night. Happy Mother's Day to everyone.